What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to one of how to smartphones tutorial videos on the iPhone 8. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to add a password or remove a password on the iPhone 8. If you guys find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know somebody who's looking for this information, please do share this with them. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys that I currently don't have any kind of password on my device. I just hit the home button and it takes me right into the device. And if I wanted to put a password on, what I'm going to do is start off by going into settings. From settings, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down till I see the Touch ID and passcode. And for this demonstration, I will not be doing the fingerprint password, as this is just for the passcode. So right here, there is a turn passcode on option, and here it's going to give you the option. The default option is just by typing in the numbers. If we go to passcode options, it gives you a 4-digit numeric code, a custom numeric code, or a custom alphabetic, like just doing with numbers, a code, or not numbers, but with letters, a code with the letters. So I'm just going to go ahead and select a 4-digit code, just to make it a little easier. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this says, hey, this is a really common password, something very easy to hack. I'm going to go ahead and use it anyways. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's just verifying my password. And it's booting it. Now my device has that password on there. So if I hit the lock screen, my device is now locked. If I hit the home button, it's going to ask me for my password. So I'm going to type in my 4-digit password. And just like that, you have set your password on the iPhone 8. So let's say you have a password, you want to go ahead and get rid of it. What we're going to want to do, go back into settings, just like as before, go back down into our Touch ID and passcode. Once you're here, it's going to ask you to enter your current password, the one you have set. So go ahead and type that in, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then right down here, there's the option of turn passcode off. It's going to once again ask you to verify, and we'll go ahead and type in our password that we just created. And just like that, it has removed the password off of the device. So there we have it. We are back into the phone without actually having to type that password in. So that is how to turn your password on and off on the iPhone 8. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. If you know somebody who's looking for this information, be sure to share this video with them. And if you guys like to see other helpful tips and tricks on the iPhone 8, go ahead and check out that iPhone 8 playlist in the description below. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.